scientists have been wondering this for ages. It is the wonder of wonders, the age-old question. Only the nose knows what it is. Will we ever know? Will we ever reach Pluto? I don't know. Stay tuned. The saga continues.
Dawn? Oh, she's sleeping.
Yes.